and to all who come to this happy place, welcome to my Disney vacation. So today is actually day 2 of our Disney vacation. We were really bad vloggers yesterday and I got very little footage. So we're just gonna start with today. Today we are in Epcot. We are actually walking in right now. I have Hannah with me. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi.
And Kaylee. So we are first going to go through security, get our tickets, you know, squared away, and then we are heading right to Spaceship Earth because that is our favorite ride. So we will see you guys on Spaceship.
Take small children by the hand and watch your step onto the moving platforms. The platform in your
Uranos te ye, katehun mala mistir, getihol lion dea poti matematikin Sofia.
Geniconatus scribentate, et surgentia sidera diciam, tu regere imperio populos Romani momentum, e tibi evocatus.
Nice Disney point. Alright, so you just saw the footage of us on Spaceship Earth. We are now in the Fast Pass line for Soarin'. And if you haven't already, make sure that you download the Play Disney Parks app, because there are many different queues throughout Walt Disney World now that feature games that you can play while you wait. One of which...
Soarin' Challenge.
So there's a bunch of like trivia questions and it's super fun. Different rides have different activities during the game. So it just helps, you know, occupy you while you wait. Okay, so we just walked back to France. We're about to watch the performers. What are they called?
Sauveur Muson.
What she said. We just got a snack. I can't speak French. We just got chocolate ice cream macaron sandwiches. Kaylee got a baguette, and we're gonna go watch the performers. So I'm gonna insert some footage here so you can see what I'm talking about.
Welcome back. Thank you for coming again.
You guys. I have these. I have.
Okay, is there something in this gift shop that you don't have?
There are a few things, you know? But I have, because this one's for calm, this one's for artistic sense, and the Calico Cat is just like generally the luckiest kind. So this one's like general luck, and I have all three of them, and I carry them in my purse always.
Woo.
I haven't had this one in a while. Back.
What is it?
It's mochi. So it's like, it's a dough made out of rice.
Yeah.
That's like really pillowy. And it's covered in rice flour. And this one specifically is my favorite because it's filled with black sesame. Goma. And this one's matcha. And I think this one's chocolate.
Yeah, looks like it.
Sometimes I think the traditional filling is red bean paste, which I don't like.
Ooh, bean jam.
Yes, bean paste. Peach rice cake. Yeah.
This one's melon, and that's orange.
Ooh, kiwi fruit gummy candy.
Oh.
Pineapple marshmallows. Strawberry marshmallows. Strawberry gummy candy.
Folks, you have been a wonderful group to sing for. We have time for one more song, and this song has a challenge for each one of us, everywhere. Rise and seize the day. Seize the day. Let us be the change we wish to see in the world. From Disney's movie turned hit Broadway musical, Newsies.
you just saw, we watched Voices of Liberty, which is a cappella group that performs in the American Adventure. Once you finish watching Voices of Liberty, that usually lines up within about 15 minutes of the next show of American Adventure, which is a story of America's history. It's a great place to go sit down so you can keep cool. We decided not to watch it this time, but instead we are exploring the World Showcase now. So we're gonna go into each of the pavilions. I think we're gonna go try to ride Frozen and get ready for illuminations. It's 5 o'clock, so the fireworks are at 9. So we have some time to kill. We're mostly trying to keep cool. It's not as bad anymore, it's starting to cool down a little bit, but it is still really hot.
This one and the one that says fruit of vine.
Now spin it.
I can't spin it. It's like...
Oh. There we go. Yeah.
This is so... No, this makes me nervous. This one's pretty. I like this one a lot.
I love those. I'm gonna sucker my mom into buying one.
I got my mom this one.
Pretty.
They're way heavier than I was expecting it to be.
You set that up a little too much, and I thought it was going to be way heavier than it was.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for Sven and me and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Let's just call it right. 'Cause for the first time in forever, you're here for my sister's magic night. Let it go, let it go. I don't want to go with them tonight. Let it go, you'll never see me right.
Just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle before we get summer and happy snowman. Exactly.
God, I hope you have 500.
Well, we just won't post it if we didn't.
Oh God, why is this so zoomed in? Oh my God. All right, zooming out, zooming out. Okay, I did.
Do I need to redo that?
No, you got that. We got that. We got there.